Hi, I'm Dr. Price, integrative doctor and naturopath and founder of Beyond Good Health Medical Clinics. Thank you for joining me today. Now, over the years, I've treated thousands of patients, and the vast majority of them have been women. And over 80% of these women have come to see me with similar health issues such as low energy and fatigue, poor sleep, bad skin and hair, headaches, weight gain around the tummy, and inability to handle stress. So these health issues have often made them feel overwhelmed, anxious, and a failure as a mum or partner. And this has made them feel, unhappy, depressed, and down. So can you relate to any of these or even some of these symptoms and feelings? If so, I'm here to help you. Like the thousands of women who have seen me in my Beyond Good Health clinics labeled and diagnosed with mysterious illnesses, you are not alone. What most of these women weren't aware of is that imbalances in hormones and hormonal production in key glands are impacting on their ability to cope with stress and affecting how they store fat. The key question to ask is what causes these hormone imbalances? The answer lies in a number of factors, including pathogens, stress, food intolerances, diet, and toxic environmental influences such as chemicals and electromagnetic radiation and heavy metals. But what often isn't considered in the equation is equally important, and not more important, is your past trauma history, your genealogy, your past conditioning influences, your thoughts and emotions. These can all affect the function of your organs and glands. And the two key glands that cause so many issues in women and get impacted are the adrenals and the thyroid, and they work hand in hand. Now, these adrenals and thyroid glands work together with other glands to form the endocrine system, and together they tell your body how much energy to produce, where and how much fat to store, and they also provide key body chemicals that help us deal with stress. So when the key glands of the adrenals and thyroid are out of whack, then their production of important body chemicals that are called hormones isn't what it should be. So our ability to withstand stress, create energy, run efficient bodies become affected, and we become sick. We lose energy, we feel fatigued or unmotivated, we have trouble sleeping, we put weight on around our tummies, and we experience changes in our skin and hair. The skin becomes dry and thin, and our hair can fall out. This is how powerful your thyroid and adrenals are. Now we can correct and dial them both up though and support your total healing. You can then once again feel energetic and powerful, be able to sleep well, lose weight, and cope with the challenges that life throws at you through a carefully constructed nutritional and supplement plan personalized for you. However, as I mentioned previously, just dealing with your diet and supplement isn't going to be enough. It's been my experience based on decades of clinical practice and research that negative emotions, unhelpful, self-sabotaging beliefs, traumatic events from our childhood, and even the energies around us all impact heavily on the health of our adrenals and thyroid. Did you know that for thousands of years, traditional Chinese medicine mapped certain emotions and beliefs against different organs, and discovering that people with similar illnesses displayed similar negative emotions and beliefs? This was proof that specific emotions affected specific organs. And in modern medicine, the mind-body connection is now becoming more obvious and apparent. The adrenals are all about self-love, self-nurturing, and self-care. When we sacrifice ourselves to care for others at the expense of ourselves and don't show ourselves enough love or set healthy boundaries, our adrenals suffer. Does that sound like anyone you know? And our thyroid is related to our self-expression and self-voice, our ability to speak our truth and speak our truth to others. If we put ourselves aside to help others, then our thyroid can also suffer. It's my clinical opinion that really effectively dealing with these emotions, self-beliefs, self-sabotaging experiences, life experiences, and other energetic influences such as relationships in the home and the work, they can exert a more powerful healing impact on your adrenals and thyroid than just about anything else. That's why in my up-and-coming Adrenal and Thyroid Revive and Thrive workshop, where I'll be joining forces with energy healer and inventor Helio Matahari to help you clear the physical, emotional, and mental and spiritual blocks that are preventing your adrenals and thyroid from getting full functioning back again. And in this full-day action-packed transformative event, we're going to open you up to the emotional beliefs-based and spiritual issues that underlie your adrenals and thyroid problems. And you're also undergoing some specific clearing activities designed to identify those emotions and belief patterns that are self-sabotaging your adrenals, your thyroid, and your life. And then we're going to move on to the energetics, the stresses that we help them to move them on so they can function efficiently at the energetic level. We'll also use advanced technology and techniques to really help make the workshop open up for you and really go transformation at a deep level. We'll get involved also in some fun, interesting, and effective ancient wisdom healing techniques that's going to help relax you and calm you down and center you so that your brain-body communication and emotional functioning will be optimal. This is going to help your whole being as well as your thyroid and adrenals specifically. So why not revive your adrenals and thyroid and help them thrive again by joining Helio and myself on Saturday, the 26th of May, for a full day of personalized attention in a small group, deep transformative experience that's going to supercharge your adrenals and thyroid and help your holistic wellness in a way that perhaps you've never felt before. So all you need to do now is call Beyond Good Health and book your seat. I look forward to seeing you on the 26th. Thank you for listening.